So this evening we're going to be installing these nightlight flush mount pods to the rear bumper of old Red. So first thing you need to do is you need to make, it comes with a stencil. You're going to need to mark that out. Gives you a reference point of what needs to go and where your holes need to go for the bolts. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to cut all this metal out. We're going to drill 4 holes for each pod, and then we're going to come back and I'll show you what to do after that. So guys, I just wanted to bring you back real quick. So we drilled the first corner hole. So the reason why we're doing it this method, one, is so we don't get overcut. So you're not cutting into any of this metal, right? You can literally cut up to this, and then you can just shave all this down. But so you want to punch each hole in the corner. Now, say the bit you're using keeps jumping, you can use a smaller bit to create this half moon that I've created to keep the big bit where it's going. So you're not wasting time drilling a hole with this and then elongating it. So I just want to bring... Alright guys, so we got the pods mounted. So now comes the fun part. We're going to wire them to the reverse lights of the tail lights. So essentially what's going to happen is these pods are going to come on when I put the reverse lights on. That's what we want it to do. So to do that, we're basically going to splice using the kit.
I do all of my pods, my light bars, all of my extra lighting and wiring, everything. And my switches and stuff is Nightlight. Nightlight is a great company. I can't say enough about them. They have great customer service. If anything happens that is like outside of your control, they replace it for you. It's super dope. They're super awesome. But
that you'll see in another video, but basically, yeah, that's all we're gonna do right now. So I'll get that done, or I'll get it one side started, and I'll show you how to do it on the other side.
Hey, if you're here and you're watching, like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, so we finished with the wiring. So if you come over here, I'll show you what I basically did. So I found the wire from the socket. It's green. It's the only green wire. So I reached underneath. Power went to the green wire. And then the ground, I made a body wire ground with a self-tapper. So now I'm going to try to put it in reverse and show you everything lines up and works. So also what we did was real quick, since we were underneath there, we replaced these crappy, old, crusty license plate lights. They have a clip on the back that coincidentally both of them broke off as soon as you depressed them, but they just depress and they pop out. They hook on one side, it's a clip on the other. We replace those with LEDs. They're plug and play. Super bright. They're plug and play. They have the motherboard in the lens, so you don't have to worry about touching the diodes or anything, and it's just a one wire, and you'll plug it into the socket. Socket goes in, twist and lock. Good to go. So took maybe 5 seconds, but all in all, pods were a little difficult. Make sure when you mount their pods that you're paying attention to where your support brackets are at for your bumper.
Good day. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that button, smash that bell. Tell your friends. Check out UncleBuckStuff.com for a little merch if you would like a hat or a t-shirt. Y'all be good.